Teeth whitening at home kits. Do they really work? In this video, we will know about at-home teeth whitening kits and learn how teeth whitening kits work. Is it better to whiten your teeth at the dentist or with a kit? Recent studies published by the National Library of Medicine show that bleaching performed by dentists gives better results than applying a whitening kit. However, trips to the dentist are not always possible and tend to be rather expensive. What are tooth whiteners and how do they work? Basically, the whiteners use bleaching chemicals to get down into the tooth enamel and set off a chemical reaction, specifically an oxidation reaction, that breaks apart the staining compounds. How teeth whitening kit works. Whitening kits are trays that you fill with a mild hydrogen peroxide gel and then apply to your teeth for a specified length of time, generally 20 minutes to an hour per session. You can achieve good results with teeth whitening kits, often removing stains and whitening teeth up to 4 or more shades. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below. Does hydrogen peroxide whiten teeth? An active ingredient, such as hydrogen peroxide, is just one of the factors that influence teeth whitening. There are several primary and secondary factors that result in the most effective, safe, and comfortable whitening process. How does hydrogen peroxide work to whiten teeth? Behind effective whitening agents is the release of perhydroxyl ions that are triggered when hydrogen peroxide moves into an alkaline state with a pH above 7.0. Once released, they break down the large staining molecules within the dentine, subsequently delivering the visible whitening effect. Is hydrogen peroxide tooth whitening safe? When manufacturers' instructions are followed, hydrogen peroxide-based tooth whitening is safe and effective. Patients should be informed of the risks associated with tooth whitening and instructed on identification of adverse occurrences so that they may seek professional help as needed. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below. Do teeth whitening kits really work? When applying teeth whitening kits to your teeth, the hydrogen peroxide-based bleaching gel works to break down enamel and lighten the teeth. Research from American Dental Association has shown that ingredients in teeth whitening kits do work and you can have a whiter smile in just a few days after using the product. What teeth whitening kit is the best? These are top-rated teeth whitening kits that we found in our research. Diamond Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. Colgate Optic White Advanced LED Whitening. Snow Teeth Whitening Kit. Which teeth whitening kit actually works? Diamond Smile, a teeth whitening kit that actually works. The best at-home teeth whitening kit that brightens up your smile and protects sensitive teeth. 29,000 plus happy customers worldwide. Read the ultimate list of frequently asked questions about teeth whitening. Visit the link in description below.